Hi guys. I guess this is gonna be the beginning of my vlog. So I am packing right now for New York. I'm so excited. I also just got this shirt in the mail. It's like the club hearts. Really cute. I'm almost done with packing and I'm watching Gossip Girl while I do all of this. So, here I have my shoes and purses, and then like my masks, just like other necessities, my shirts, cardigans, jeans, these really cute satin shorts, and then like dresses that I don't want like wrinkled, a big jacket if it gets like super cold, my hat, and then here I basically like wrote down everything that I need. Here I'm gonna put my skincare, my makeup, and then I made my outfit for tomorrow, so. Hi guys, so it's actually been a while since I sat down and talked. I'm back home now and I'm gonna have a haul coming. I got this like gorgeous coat. I don't know if you can see that right there. Literally the coat of my dreams. I've been eyeing like a coat like that for so long, but it was like so expensive, but I found it and I'm really happy. But I also went to Sephora, so I thought I'd show you like what I picked up. So I just got like the necessities. I got this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm not a very big makeup person. I like to be natural. Plus I just don't like how makeup feels on my skin. So yeah, I got that. I've been using like the foundation and it's like pretty good coverage for like, I don't know. My skin is, you know, it's actually not bad. I used to have really bad skin, like since I was 10 till my junior year of high school, like super bad acne, and I took Accutane, so that's why my skin is like so much better. But yeah, I got this. I tried it. It's very full coverage, so I don't know how I feel about that because the foundation, although it was full coverage, it was like more liquid, if that makes sense. And then I also got this. I never picked up my birthday gift from Sephora. Yeah, so it comes with the Milk mascara and then mini lip and cheek like thing, and then like that primer. I've tried the mascara before and it's really good. So right now I have a ecology class. Let's see, what time is it? It's 12 and I have it in an hour, so I need to double check that I got everything finished to prepare for the class. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I just had breakfast. So I had a coffee and avocado toast. And then I've been watching Devil Wears Prada because in the last 3 days, like, so many people told me to watch it. And it's really good so far, and I'm really surprised I haven't seen it. I believe I saw it like when I was maybe like 8 years old, but that doesn't really count. But yeah, I really recommend to watch it if you haven't yet, just like me. What in the world? It's literally October 26th and it's snowing. I'm literally wearing my jacket.